Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today guys, we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1969 Chevrolet Camaro. This is an RS. It's got the Rally Sport package on it. But to be honest with you guys, this car has all the SS options on it as well. Beautiful color combo. It's factory Dover white with the factory black and white houndstooth interior. Great car, guys. I bought it locally from a gentleman here. It's a little bit older restoration. He said it's about an 8-9-year-old restoration, but still really nice. 010 performance block, 400 trans, 12-bolt rear end with tach engages and AC, guys. Great car. Brand new 18-inch US mags all the way around it. Brand new rubber. It's got the cowl hood. Of course, it's the RS, so it's got the hideaway headlights. And really just a nice car. Runs and drives excellent. Just a good car, guys. It's got the functioning hideaway headlights. There's not a whole lot to really nitpick. Again, as you go around, you can see some touch-up marks on the paint. But very nice car. And there's a little touch-up mark there. Again, it's got the cowl hood. Dash in there's nice, glass is nice. Rear defog. Ton of options. Tilt wheel, again, tach engages. It's got the rear deck spoiler. Nice and flat down the sides, guys. Again, all new rubber, new wheels. It's got the bumperettes on the rear here. Good, solid, straight car. Love the US mags. Those are chrome wheels. Front disc brakes. Again, a lot of SS options, guys. Disc brakes, 400 trans, 12-bolt rear end. Not a matching numbers engine, but it does have an 010. That's a GM 350 performance block in it. Stock intake, exhaust manifolds, power steering, power disc brakes and air. And yes, the air does work. It's been upgraded to an HEI distributor. And like I say, just a real good car. Bunch of new stuff coming. I bought a bunch of cars this weekend, guys. Try to get those, I'll try to get at least a coming soon photo posted as soon as I can. I know people get frustrated when the cars get sold before I advertise them, but it just happens, guys. Mirrors are nice, door handles are nice. Again, this car is factory Dover white with factory houndstooth interior. There's your door tag. So of course it's got the deluxe door pads like it should have. Tilt wheel. It's got the wood sport wheel in it. Headliner's nice. Car's showing 31,000. I'm sure that's not original, guys. Factory tach and gauges. I think all the gauges work. I know it's got an aftermarket radio. That works. Again, it is rear defog, 400 trans, dual exhaust, 12-bolt rear end, 323 gear. Jack with spares here in the trunk. Dust in. Then the jack's in there. It's like a gray spackle in here. You can see the car's nice. It's clean. Man, those mats are a pain. Got the car up in the air. Got some good pictures of the bottom of the car for you. Dual exhaust. Again, the only thing, you can't break these cars down through the VIN. It's an X11 code car. So really, you throw SS badges on this car, it's an SS. Trapped there in the paint. Again, nothing I'd mess with. Turn the key, go have some fun. This car's a great car. You can nitpick any of them, guys. I can tell you, I've personally bought and sold over 6,000 cars, and I've never seen a perfect one yet. It's a nice car, really good car. Dash is nice. It's got the aftermarket kick pads with the speakers in it. Good car, real good car. Runs and drives good. You just get your easy out. Air does work. You gotta cut your air off, it's on. That's a good looking car, man. 69 Camaro, this is a great body style. Works, and your radio down there works. It's a little chilly, guys. It's that time of year. Backup lights work. There you go. Yeah, this one works as well. Again, radio all works, blower motor functions. Looks like your gauges are all working in here. Dash lights work. Doors open and close nice. Little stone peck right there that's touched up. No, there we go. For the wipers, yeah. Headlights do work. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram, our Facebook page, or our YouTube page. Or as always, guys, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Have a great day, guys.